Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th first chapter economics, that is a development. Today we are going to discuss a new topic of development chapter, that is a human development report. So the human, they are the developing, the taking the their earning the income, salary, and taking education and health. Yes, for the government also is giving a cooperation for the people developing themselves. Yes, it is making public facilities to make a people very easily to run their life. Yes, so this human development report, it will be considered, it is a report done by a, that is UNDP, United Nations Development Program. So this program will be make, that is a human development report. In this report, what will be included in this report? It is included income, that is a capital income of per particular country, and education, that is a literacy rate and a health. So in all these bases, they will prepare a report, that is a human development report by a HDR, that is a human development report. They are the considering with the, along with the help of human index. In this human index, they are taking the income, that is per capita income. The we are discussed, that is average income of a per particular particular country. Yes, education, that is a literacy rate, and health, that is uh, health, how much uh, people, that is infinity uh, infinity rate, that is IMR. In that last class we are discussed this along with the help of this table, that is infinity rate as well as literacy and net attendance ratio. The along with this all, they are the comparing a income, per capital income of a particular country, and a people, that is a people standard of the living, that is also factors they are the comparing, how the people they are the living, everything they are the including the, when they are the preparing these human development report, that is the help of, by the help of United Nations Development Program. So in this index, they are the adding, here the income is not important, income they are not giving that much importance. Along with that, the how much literacy part is there, how much health it is there, how much death rate as well as the birth rate of a people present in a particular country. Those are all the included where in a HDI, that is a Human Development Index. In this index, they are the considering the all the citizens of the particular country. They are the taking and they are the preparing the rate. Along with that, what the income they are the getting, the income whatever they are the taken from the country, it will be calculating with the help of the dollars. Yes, in a first we are discussed about the how the development country, underdevelopment country, as well as a middle development country, they are the calculating with the dollars. Yes, so that comparison, the life rate comparison, as well as the human development index, everything they are the comparing to make the what human development report. Okay, so in this human development report, it is a very important for to the making a comparison to one country to another country. Here one small data they given in your test book. They are given the all some country, neighboring countries of our country India. Yes, that is in the 2014 they are the prepare the one report. Here they are the given the gross national income. See, income they are the given. Here life experiences they are the given, that is a birth rate, and as well as literacy rate they are the given. Yes, already we have discussed all these report where which they are the making. Here the World Bank we have to be recall, the World Bank they are the maintaining the all the income, per income, and the capitals of all the countries, that is through dollars. They are comparing all the income through the dollars, and they are giving that particular country, it is a developed, underdeveloped, or a middle developed. So in today's segment we are learnt about the human development report, which one, that is prepared by HRD, Human Development Report, under the where in the UNDP, that is the United Nations Development Program. In this, the income, education, and as well the health, they are considering for to the prepare this report. It will become under the Human Development Index. So for reference, you can refer 10th grade NCERT textbook for to understand this one, and you can make some notes on the taking the help of the textbook. Thank you.